Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to design and assemble a simple two-cylinder engine. Here we will do many parts and we will assemble at the end, and we will give some beautiful animation. See, this is the simple engine, two-cylinder engine. I hope you like it. So let's see how to make this engine in SolidWorks. It is very useful for the beginners and for the newcomers. I wish you like it. So let's start. Now here we will make our first part of engine, two-cylinder engine block. So let's start. Choose here front plane, sketch, select the line and draw a line up to here and come back and convert it into an arc. Up to here, connect it, exit, vertical. That's it. Now let's define it. Keep radius 8 millimeter, 6.8 millimeter, 28.02 millimeter. Okay. Now select here extruded boss, make it reverse direction, or okay, let's extrude same way. Now we will extrude up to 25 millimeter. Okay, that's it. Now select the top face, sketch normal, circle, and draw here two circles, exit. Now select both the circles and make relation equal. Now let's define gap 12 millimeter and diameter 10 millimeter, and let's make the distance from this line 6.59 millimeter. Okay, now select here extruded cut and make the depth 20 millimeter. See, okay, that's it. Now select this face, sketch, select circle and find out the center point of this circle. If you will close here, you will find. Okay, now let's define it 14 millimeter. Oh, select extruded cut and keep here end condition through all. Okay, now see, that's it. Now let's create, we want to cut some faces here, so let's select this face plane and create one plane 1.5 millimeter flip offset. You can see it here. That's it. Okay, now select this plane 1, sketch. Okay, now select this circle, select here offset entities, make gap 1.8 millimeter. Okay, select the second circle, offset 1.8 millimeter. Okay, choose here line, draw a horizontal line, then vertical line and connect with this point, exit. Choose trim entities, power trim, and delete this lines. Now this portion we need to cut it. Okay, now select here extrude cut. Now you can see in back side. Cut only small portion, not more, 9 millimeter. Okay, now see. Now you can hide this plane, click plane, hide. Now select this back surface, sketch normal. Now here we want to create some cylinder fins. So let's start. First make a rectangle. Now let's define it. 10 millimeter, 0.505 millimeter, and let's make the distance from this line 0.68 millimeter, 0.85 millimeter. Okay, choose corner rectangle, draw here 4 rectangles, exit. Now select this all vertical lines and make relation equal. Equal, and select this all upper lines also equal. Put circle here, or better define this first length 1.75 millimeter. Okay, now this one 0.8 millimeter. Let's make it 0.6 millimeter. 2.15 millimeter. 2.5 millimeter. Just drag your rectangle down. Take more. Two point five millimeter. Now let's try this one. 0.8 millimeter. That's look nice. Choose here directly circle. Trim entity and okay. Okay, now select here fully defined sketch, calculate. I think is too much dimension, that's why, but this is the what actually we needed. Center line and draw one center line. Select here revolve boss base. Now here choose the line. This line. Now you can see the preview. Make 156 degree. Make it reverse. Okay. See. Now we want to make for this second part of cylinder, so just linear pattern, select this line as a axis and here select make 2 numbers only. Okay, edit, keep the distance 12 millimeter and 2 numbers. Okay, that's it. Now select this face, sketch, circle, draw a circle up to this and select extruded cut. Make little 15 millimeter. Okay, that's it. We cut some extra part of fins. Now select this face, sketch, circle, find out the center point. Okay, one circle and smaller one keep 5 millimeter and bigger one as it is 14 by default. Select extruded boss in direction 1.5, direction 2 1 millimeter. You can see. Okay, now select this part, linear pattern, select this line as a axis, make it 3 number of part, 12, distance keep 12. Okay, that's it. Now this one we want to little extend, so sketch, select this circle, convert entity and select any one full circle. Let's say this circle, convert entity. Now see, it's converted here and extrude 0.2 millimeter. Okay, now again select this face, sketch, select this inside circle, convert entities and make one small circle and let's keep the diameter 4 millimeter. Now select extruded boss. Direction 1.5 and direction to 1.6 millimeter. Now okay, this is the bearing actually. Just make it some dark color, let's say blue. Okay, now select this part, linear pattern, select this edge, reverse direction, 12.22, 3 numbers. Okay, see, that's it. Now here we will do one thing, just define some color to the body to block. Okay, that's fine. Now select top face, sketch normal, select here 2D. Now select this line, upper line, and this line, convert entities. Choose line, connected. Here also connected. Now see, that's the line where connect. Make sure it is connected, otherwise difficult for extrusion. Select extruded boss, cancel it. Maybe this, select these two lines, let's check it again where it is not connected. Because if these lines will not connect, then it will not extrude. Okay, uncheck thickness. That's it. 2 millimeter. Okay, that's the our body. Now select this face, sketch normal, draw a center line. Draw one more center line. Let's draw here circle. Choose line. Convert it into arc. Exit. Now select this line, convert entity. Here also convert entity. Trim entity and trim this outer line. Okay. Okay. The gap make it 0.44.2 and the distance from origin point (12.944 millimeter). That's it. 4.026 millimeter. Radius make it 3.707 millimeter. Okay. Select these two lines and this center line symmetric. Okay. Defined angle 35 degree. It is by default. Select extruded boss, 2 millimeter reverse direction. Okay. Now select this line, linear pattern, select this extruded body, delete, extruded body part 6, 2 numbers, Distance keep 22.8 millimeter. Okay. Now select this face sketch. Select this circle, convert entity, and draw one more circle here. And let's make it 3 millimeter. Now extrude it. Point 3 millimeter and direction to 2.3 millimeter. You can see it here. Okay. Now let's choose this one and define the same color blue. It is a kind of bearing. Linear pattern, select this line as a 22.8, two numbers of. Okay. See. Now select this face sketch, and here we want to make some cutouts for hole ventilation. Fill it. .5 millimeter. Okay. Now mirror entity, select this all parts and mirror against this line. Okay. Now select extruded cut. Okay. That's it. Now select this face sketch, normal. Draw a center line. Select here 3-point arc. Exit. Now select the center of this arc and this point, merge. Okay. Draw this one up to here. Now it's time to define this radius 10 millimeter and distance from this line 8.5 millimeter. Okay. Choose offset 0.12 millimeter and select this line. See here. Okay. Select the line and close it. Close it. Trim this line. Okay, it's closed. Now select here revolve boss base. Here select this face and this is the vertical line. Uncheck thickness 180 degree. See, only half circle going to cover. Okay, that's it. Now linear pattern, select this line, reverse direction, keep 12 mm to. Okay, that's it. Select this face, sketch normal, circle. Now select the dimension 1.99 millimeter, 1.99 millimeter. Okay, now select here extruded cut, reverse direction, and see we want to cut this one. Okay, again choose the same face, sketch normal. Now this time select this circle, convert entities. Here also convert, first select one edge, cancel it, convert entities, circle, connect, trim. Point 8. The same way we have to do it here. Circle, let's make 1.6 millimeter, choose here line and connect, exit, trim entity and trim. That's it. Now select extruded boss. Now let's see how to extrude it. Extrude only 0.8 millimeter and choose here offset, and offset keep 1.2 millimeter. Now see, it's going to perfectly fit here. Okay, that's it. This is the hole for inlet and outlet of exhaust. Now let's make one hole for spark. So for spark we need to create one hole here. Select plane, select this face and select this edge. In face section define angle 340 degree. Okay, now select this plane, sketch normal, choose circle. If you will go here, connect the center line, make sure it's vertical. .2 millimeter, 1.2 millimeter, 3 millimeter, 3 millimeter. Cancel it, extruded cut, through all, reverse direction. Okay, now that's the spark plug hole created. Now just hide this plane. Now take it reverse. Now select here this face, sketch normal, just check out this position. Now choose here line, connect with this line, exit, select both the line parallel. Let's make the relation 135 degree. 0.315 degree, and keep this length 2 plus 0.315. Okay, 1.59. Circle, and here draw two circles, one is small and one bigger. Trim entity. Okay, trim this circle. Now again draw it. Let's define it. Inside diameter 4 millimeter, and here 0.3 into 2, 1.6 millimeter. Okay, trim entity and delete inside half circle. Select here line, horizontal line. Select these two lines collinear. Okay, 0.2. Okay, now this is what we need. Extruded boss, extrude 1 millimeter reverse. Okay, now see. Now let's choose linear pattern. Select this line as a axis. We need 3 number of patterns. Keep distance 12 millimeter. Okay, fillet 0.5 millimeter. Okay, now select this face, sketch normal. Choose here line, convert it into arc, exit 7.2 millimeter, 0.9 millimeter. Radius anything whatever you like. Let's make the distance between 8.1 millimeter. Now select extruded boss, two millimeter reverse direction offset, 5.5 millimeter reverse. Okay, that's it. Linear pattern, select one axis, keep reverse 12 millimeter, and here make 2 number of patterns. Okay, that's it. Sketch normal. Now here we want to create some circles. Select both the circles equal. Connect it with midpoint. Horizontal 1.2 millimeter and diameter 1 millimeter. The same we will do it here. Diameter, okay, by default 1.2 millimeter. Now choose here center line and connect it with this midpoint. Select this line, make horizontal, extruded cut. Now here we want to create some small holes. Okay, that's length is defect perfect. That's it. Now choose here 0.3 fillet. Let's select point make 0.4 millimeter, 0.5 millimeter. Okay. Now this portion we make by mistake, so we need to cut it. So select this face, sketch normal. We want to modify it actually. Select this line and this rectangle line, collinear. Okay, this portion we need to delete. So extruded cut, cut through all. Sketch normal. Now let's make our geometry here. Circle, exit, tangent relation. Select both the center points, merge. Now let's define it. 7.8 millimeter, 2 millimeter. This one radius 0.8 millimeter, diameter 0.6 millimeter. Select extruded boss, 1 millimeter reverse. Okay. Now let's try to select this extruded boss, linear pattern. Select this line, distance keep 12 millimeter and 3 numbers. Okay, see here. Now this is what we required. Now select this cutout. This is the cutout. Select this hole. This sketch 22, extrude, offset 1.2, .5, offset make 1.9. See, check here thin feature, 0.1, make it reverse. See, okay, that's it. So this is the our 2-cylinder engine block is ready. Let's save this pattern. Save it, desktop, create new folder, 2-cylinder engine, and this is part number 1, engine block. And now let's see other parts of engine. Now here let's make the next part, piston. So let's start. Choose here front plane, sketch, draw a vertical and horizontal center line. Five millimeter and 3 millimeter. Choose here line. connect with this line. Exit. Make sure this line 5 minus 0.04 millimeter. That's it. 0.04 millimeter. By default 5 millimeter. .22 millimeter vertical. 106.75 millimeter. 1.35 millimeter. 1.93 millimeter. 0.4 millimeter. 2.57 millimeter. 0.172 millimeter. 0.47. This is not much important dimensions. .2 millimeter. This geometry is fully defined. Choose here circle and define some circles here. This is the actually rings. Point 1. Okay. Trim entity and trim this half. That's it. Any dimension you can give it. Now this drawing is fully defined. So choose here revolve boss base. Center line 360 degree. Okay. Now choose this color as a green. Select these three faces because this is the oil ring. So we will define some different colors so it is easily diagnosed visible. That's it. Now choose right plane, sketch, normal. Better we will fill this face first. Sketch. Draw center lines. Exit. Now select this circle, convert entity. Choose here line, connect with this line. Make sure this is vertical. Mirror this line against this line. Okay. Smart dimension and define the gap 3.5 millimeter. Okay. Trim entity. Okay, that's fine. Now select extruded boss. Up to next. Okay, that's it. Now choose right plane, sketch normal, and here we will make the hole for connecting rod or for pin. 1.6 millimeter. 9065 millimeter, and select the center point of circle and this point horizontal. Extruded cut 20 millimeter and select through all both. See, even no need to select. That's it. See, the pinhole is created. Let's save this piston. Let's see the. Now here let's make the part number 3, piston pin. So choose front plane, sketch, and draw a circle with 1.6 millimeter diameter and extrude it up to 9.5 millimeter. Okay, choose fillet 0.1 millimeter, select both the faces, 45 degree. Okay, make it some color so we can identify it. Okay, let's save this piston pin. Let's see other part. Here the next part is connecting rod. So choose here front plane, sketch, and now here we will make the geometry of connecting rod. Let's start from here. Connect with center line. Now let's define these circles. .06 millimeter, 2 millimeter. Here also inside keep 1.6 millimeter. .79 millimeter, and make the center gap 13.69 millimeter. Now let's connect with mirror. Now mirror this line against vertical line. Okay, choose here a straight fillet. Now let's define this 1.5 millimeter, 0.5 millimeter radius, 3 millimeter, 4 millimeter. Now let's define these 2 points, 3.3 millimeter. Now see the geometry is fully defined. So select here extruded boss. Select this circle and this circle. Make 1 millimeter and end condition mid plane. Okay. Now again choose the same drawing, extrude. Now this time select this one, mid plane, 0.8 millimeter. Okay. Now again select the same sketch, extrude, and this time select this center one, 0.6 millimeter, and keep end condition mid plane. Okay, that's it. Now select this face, sketch, Draw circles. One keep same and other little bigger. 4 millimeter and inside inner one 2 millimeter. Now extrude. One side 1.5 millimeter and direction 2 keep 2.5 millimeter. Okay, that's it. Again choose front plane, sketch, and here select center point arc. Okay, again draw one more, exit. Both the points horizontal, here also horizontal. Choose the line, connect these points. Let's define this gap. 3.2 millimeter. Let's make radius. 1.75 millimeter and outer one keep more bigger. Okay. Now select here extruded cut. Make mid plane and we want to cut through all. Okay. Okay, that's the what we need, this shape. Top plane, sketch, normal. Now we want to make it two parts, so just select. Okay, corner rectangle. Now let's define this. 0.001 millimeter and extrude cut. Mid plane, select OK. It will ask you all body. OK, that's it. Now save with. Now save this connecting rod, part number 4. Connecting rod. That's it. Let's make the next part, pushrod. Top front plane, sketch, and draw here 2 circles. The inner one keep 1 millimeter. Outer one 2.4 millimeter. Okay. Now exit. Extruded boss. Here select this inside only. 15.5 millimeter long. Okay. Again choose the same sketch. Extrude. Select here reverse direction. 4.75 millimeter. See. Okay. Fill it. 0.2 millimeter and select this corner. Okay. Now select this face, sketch, circle, and draw here a circle with 1.7 millimeter. And extrude it up to 0.3 millimeter. Okay. Now choose top plane, sketch, normal. select line up to mid line, convert it into a circle, again convert it into a circle, convert it into an arc, exit. Select both the center points, coincide. That's it. Now little take it out. Let's define the dimension. -90 to 72 millimeter. 0.35, 0.5 millimeter. Okay. Now this one keep little inside. Select revolve boss base. Okay. That's it. Now again choose the same top plane sketch. We want to fill some area. Center line, corner rectangle. Now let's define this distance from here to bottom line. .84 millimeter. Okay, this one extrude up to here so that it will cover the whole body, and revolve boss base, center line. Okay, now here we will get the plane surface. See, top plane sketch normal, corner rectangle, draw a rectangle, 2.46 millimeter, draw a center line. And define the mid gap, 0.2962 millimeter. It's rough design, nothing else. Select here revolve cut. Select the center line. Okay, that's it. Now here let make one sketch star point and put one star in center, because it is very helpful during assembly. Sketch. Go to appearance and define it orange. Fine. So this is our push rod. So let's save this part number 5, push rod. That's it. Let's see what other parts are there. Here our next part is crankshaft. So let's start. Choose here front plane, sketch. Select here circle. Draw a circle and let's keep the diameter 13 millimeter. Choose center line and draw one center line, one and two other end. Exit. Choose here line. Now select this point to this point. Exit. Select mirror and mirror this line against vertical horizontal line. Now let's define. .45 millimeter. make 3 millimeter. Let's make 2 millimeter. Let's see the bottom. Okay, that's fine. Trim entity, trim these two faces. Okay, now choose here fillet, 0.2 millimeter. Select this two corner and let's make increase it 1 millimeter. Okay, now select these two corners and make it 2 millimeter. That's fine. Our angle, okay, cancel. .6 millimeter, that's better. Extruded boss and extrude up to 0.8 millimeter. Okay, now select this face, sketch normal. Draw one center line. Select the line and make relation construction line. Choose here circle and draw a circle. Now let's define this circle. Two millimeter, and let's make distance from center point. 5.259 millimeter. That's it. Okay, and extrude it. Now change it 2 millimeter. Okay, now here we extruded 2 millimeter. We will do some editing in our first structure. Edit, re-edit, sketch. Do one thing, just delete this one. Now define this gap. 0. We will define 918 millimeter. That's it. And this radius also change it 1.6. That's fine. Exit. That's it. Now let's define some dark color. Okay, now go back, select sketch, backside, circle, and draw one circle at center. 4 millimeter. Okay, and extrude up to 3.26 millimeter. Okay, that's it. Now let's try to mirror. Select this face and here select bodies to mirror. Select the whole body. Okay, that's it. Now select this face, sketch, convert entity, and go to feature and extrude. And we want to extrude up to 6.6 minus 3.26 millimeter. So let's say 3.34 millimeter. Okay, that's it. So this is the our crankshaft. Let's save this part number 6, crankshaft. That's it. So let's see other parts. Now here the next part is rocker arm. So let's create the rocker arm. Front plane sketch. Okay, let's choose here center line. First draw a center line, exit. Horizontal and vertical both center line because we required both, and we required some angle also. Let's choose circle. draw here 3 circle. Let's and keep one circle here. Exit. Now let's define it. 2.6 millimeter, 0.6 millimeter, 1.525 centimeter, and let's define distance also. 0.682 millimeter. Then distance from here 3.98 millimeter. Okay, choose the line, connect this point, exit. No, we want to connect it from sometime quite difficult to. Oh, that's fine. Exit. Okay, let's choose this one, tangent relation. This one is no need to define. Choose ellipse. Exit. Make relation tangent. That's fine for us. It's no big deal. Anything, it's up to you. It's not big deal. These two circles are more important for us. Let's define this. Length 4.44 millimeter. Exit. Now select this line and this point and create relation here, midpoint. Select these two lines, tangent relation. That's it. Let's define the line. 0.675 millimeter. That's it. Now choose here line. Okay. Exit. Zero 0.819 millimeter. Now let's define the angle. 34.47 degree. Okay, see, that's angle. Now select mirror and select this center line as a. Okay, now see, this is what we did, mirror. Now this is the actual shape what we required for rocker arm. Now exit, choose extruded boss, and here select this circle only. Keep end condition mid plane. .7. Okay, that's it. Now again choose the same sketch, extrude, and here select this circle. Now this one also we will make 1.4 extrude. The first body, edit, make 2 millimeter. Okay, that's it. This is 2 millimeter. This one we did not keep end condition mid plane. Edit, and here choose end condition mid plane. Okay, that's it. Now again choose the first sketch, extruded boss. Select this body 1.2 millimeter and condition mid plane. Okay. See here, edit and select here okay, let's cancel it. We will again extrude this face 1.2 millimeter mid plane. Okay, see, that's it. So this is the our simple body of rocker arm. Now here again choose front plane sketch. Now select here line, convert it into arc. Do not create any relation and connect with this line. Exit. Now here do one thing, select this line and create relation collinear. That's it. And select this point and this point coincident. Okay, this is take it down. Zero 0.72 millimeter, 0.395 millimeter. That's it. Make diameter radius 0.35 millimeter. Now select the center point of circle and this point. Make vertical distance 1 millimeter. Okay. That's fine. Now select here revolve boss base. Select this line as axis. Okay. That's it. Okay, this unmerged result. Okay. Now here do one thing. Select this all body and define a color. Okay. And this one, let's choose some white color. Now again choose the same front plane sketch normal. Now choose here, let's say line. Connected vertical. Now these two are vertical. Tangent relation, let's make this tangent relation. Select this outer line of this drum and this collinear. One 1.076 millimeter. It is anything you can keep as per your requirement. 0.913 millimeter. That's it. Now just little drag it. Now select here revolve boss base. Select this line as the axis of revolution. Okay. Now select this part also and define the same color. Okay. This is the color for rocker arm. Edit, sketch, normal. Now delete this relation and this one drag it up to midpoint. Choose here center point and define this center point. Exit. Now here select this center point and this one go inside. That's it. Now this is the midline of this one. Okay, exit. Now that's fine. Select this face, sketch, and here draw a polygon. Just find center point. That's it. Now select one edge, make relation perpendicular, and let's define this gap 1.3 millimeter, extrude 0.4 millimeter. Okay. Now again select the top face, sketch normal. This is the center point, and make the diameter 0.6 millimeter and extrude up to 0.4 millimeter. That's it. So last two parts we will say as white color. So this is the simple body of rocker arm which we are going to use in our engine, 2-cylinder engine. So let's save it. Part number 7, rocker arm. Now here the next part is crankshaft sprocket. So let's start. Front plane, sketch, and here draw two circles. Inner one keep 4 millimeter and outer one 6.77 millimeter. Okay. Now select extruded boss. Here select only inside face and extrude up to 5 millimeter. Okay. Now again choose the same sketch, extrude. Now this time, okay, the same thing, this ring we want to extrude, keep reverse direction. That better. Here select this upper one, so that solid body will go ahead. 4 millimeter. Okay. Now this is what we extrude. Now select back surface, sketch, convert entity. Now this circle is converted. Make verb, choose circle, biggest, create one bigger circle. .4 millimeter keep the diameter. Now it's time to extrude. Reverse. 2.8 millimeter. Offset 1 millimeter, and offset also make it reverse. See. Okay. See here. Now let's cut the. Now let's select this face, sketch normal. Now here we want to create some teeth, so let's draw a center line. Exit. Now just continue this center line with origin point. Exit. Now let's define this, or we will do it later. Choose here center point arc. Select this point as a center. Okay. Again define. Exit. Now select this line, and both these circles endpoint keep relation symmetric, and this below circle also symmetric relation. Now 3-point arc and connect both the, mirror it against this vertical line. Okay, that's fine. Now let's define this circle. 3.53. Now let's define this point. 4.83 millimeter. Okay. Now select this circle, 2.984 millimeter. Select both the end point and arc, 0.791 millimeter. And in bottom also the same thing, both the corner point and arc, 0.032 millimeter. It's because it's very small. And let's define this radius, 1.1635 millimeter. Okay. Now select here extruded cut. Make it through all, or choose here through all. Okay. That's it. Now we want to make multiple number of threads. So let's choose here circular pattern, and here select features and faces, extrude cut 1, and select this face. 360 degree, 40 number of patterns we need, equal spacing. 40 number of pattern is less, make it 90 number of patterns. Okay. See, this is what we created. Now let's select the full part, edit, and this time choose some dark pink color. Okay. Now select this face, sketch normal, choose here corner rectangle, select center line, draw from here to midpoint, exit, select this vertical line and make relation vertical. Now let's define this. One 1.667 millimeter, height 0.53 millimeter, and let's say width 0.49 millimeter. So this is the key actually. Extruded boss, reverse direction, extrude up to 2.6 millimeter, unmerge. Okay. Now this body, and edit appearance, dark color, so that it will identify. Okay. See, this is our key. Now this teeth we want to twist it. So how we will do it? Just select here, go to window menus, insert, feature, and select here flex. Choose this body, see the last part is coming out here, so exit, and do one thing, just make the circular pattern should be last part, then go to window menus, feature, and flex. Now choose this body, here select twisted, now comes down, and here see x y z axis in trade. So x axis make 180 degree, y 0, z axis 0. Now here the plane 1, dimension make it 5.13. now see it's closer to this plane, sorry, make 5.13, it closer to this face, and the trim plane 2, 0.74 millimeter. Now see, both the planes is near to this main body, gear body. Now we want to twist it. So how we will do it? Just here choose angle minus 19 degree. You can see both the plane become twist. Now select here, I think we selected twisting. Okay. Now let's see how the angle shape, this thread shape. it may takes time because it's time consuming process twisting, because there is lots of calculation. See, the threads become twist. See, now select the back surface, sketch normal, select here circle, and here select for construction job. Now let's define 10.94 millimeter. Again choose circle and draw here a circle with 3 millimeter dia. Circular pattern, and here select the circle and make 5 number of circles, 360-degree equal spacing. Now select extruded cut through all. Okay, that's it. Now select this back surface, sketch normal. This is front surface actually. Now here create 2 circles. Now let's try the outer diameter, 15.559 millimeter. Now let's keep this gap 0.083 millimeter. Now extrude this face 0.2 millimeter only. Now see here. Okay. Now here we want to little portion we would like to cut. Select top plane, sketch normal. Select here corner rectangle. Okay. Let's draw a center line. Now let's define it. .512 millimeter, and this one keep bigger than this, but this distance 1.764 millimeter. Select here revolve cut. Select this line as a axis. Okay, that's it. Chamfer 0.345 degree. Select this face, sketch. So this is our crankshaft sprocket. Let's save this part number 8, crankshaft sprocket. Let's see other part. Now here let's make the next part, camshaft. So choose here front plane, sketch, and draw here 2 circles. Choose here smart dimension and keep outer one 10 millimeter, inner one 3 millimeter. Okay, now select extruded boss. Here select only outer circle. .8 millimeter. Okay. Now again choose the same sketch, extruded boss. Here select selected contour and select this inside circle only, and extrude up to 6.8 millimeter but reverse direction. Okay, that's it. Select this face, sketch, and here draw 2 circles. inside circle 1.49, 5.195 millimeter, extrude it 0.5 millimeter only. Okay, now select this face, sketch normal. Now here we want to make some teeth, so let's define center point, exit. Now here choose center point arc and start from the main origin point. Okay, again start from origin point. Okay, exit. Now here create one relation, select both the end points and mid construction line, and here select relation symmetric. The same way we have to do it here, both end point and symmetric. Okay, now let's define this radius 5.8 millimeter, 4.66 millimeter. Now let's define this circumference, select both the end point and arc 1.727 millimeter, and let's choose this one, both the center point and arc 0.066 millimeter, 3-point arc. Now connect both the arc, make angle 4.874 millimeter, fillet, mirror, select this against vertical line. Okay, now this is the our teeth profile, so select here extruded cut, keep here end condition through all. Okay, now let's make multiple number of threads, circular pattern, select extruded cut, and here select circular face and make it 58 number of threads. Okay, that's it. Now it's time to twist this thread. So how we will twist this one? Just go to window menus, insert, feature, and select here flex. Directly select this body, here select twist. Let's make angle, let's go down first, and here you will select, see here threads. So x-axis keep 0 degree, y-axis 0 degree, 270 degree z-axis. Now comes up, trim plane 1, 5.23. Now see, it's closer to this plane, and this one keep trim plane to 0, that's, and degree 38 degree. See, this is a roughly calculated, not like 100% accurate, but it works. Okay, now let's see how the threads going to twist. Gear threads, that's it. See, it's twisted here. Now here make some ventilation holes, select this face, select for construction geometry, 7.5 millimeter circle, and let's define this diameter 1.1 millimeter. Circular pattern, here select the circle and make 7 number of circles, extruded cut, keep through all. Okay. Now select this surface, sketch, draw circle. This one no need any perfect dimension. Extrude 0.1 millimeter. Okay. See a partition here. Now select this face, sketch, convert entity and extrude. We want to extrude it up to 29.8 millimeter. Okay. Let's create one plane. So select here plane, select this face, 21 millimeter, flip side. See here. Okay. Now select this plane, sketch, normal. Now here we will make camshaft body. So first draw a center line. Choose here spline. And select this part, exit. Now adjust according to your requirement. Is camshaft almost little sharp at one end. Select mirror. Okay. Take little up. So that it will not touch here. This edge we don't want to make sharp. Now select extruded boss. See here, 0.8 millimeter, end condition keep mid plane. Okay. Now see, it looks perfect. Now here we need to create one more camshaft body. So do one thing, just create one more plane. So select plane 1, plane, and create one plane just 12 millimeter ahead. Okay. Now select plane 2, sketch, and select the previous sketch for cam. Once you select and click convert entity, now see here it's converted here. Plane 1, hide it. Plane 2 also hide it. Now see it's converted. Take it normal position, and now here you will find one important command, rotate entities. Select both the spline. Here select center of rotation, origin point, and degree. I'll choose 180 degree, just opposite the previous one. Okay. See, that's it. It's select extruded boss, 0.8 millimeter mid plane. Okay. Now that's it. Now this is our camshaft is ready. Camshaft with sprocket. Now let's define some dark color. This, if we will choose this one, it's too bright. This better. Okay. Now let's save it. Part number 9. We will select camshaft with sprocket. Save. Let's see other one more part is balance. The next part is arbor. So let's choose front plane, sketch, and draw a circle. Keep the diameter 0.6 millimeter and extrude it up to 26 millimeter. Okay, now choose here top plane, sketch. First draw a center line, one end to other end, exit. Choose corner rectangle or okay. Now let's define this 1.5 millimeter, 1.5 millimeter, and width will make it 1 millimeter. And let's make the gap 2 millimeter. Center line. Draw one line. Exit. Now select first both the lines, then midline, and create relation symmetric. Okay. The same thing we have to do it here. Exit 1 millimeter, 1.5 millimeter. Make the gap 2 millimeter. Okay. Now select these two lines, make relation equal, and these two lines make relation equal. Center line, make this line horizontal. Now create relation. Select all three lines, make relation symmetric. Okay. Now let's define the gap. Gap between these two bodies 12.007 millimeter. Distance from bottom line 7.24 millimeter. Now geometry is fully defined. Select here revolve boss base. This is the center of rotation or revolution. Okay. Now this is our arbor, engine arbor. Okay, make this color. Okay. Let's save this part number 10, arbor. The one more part is balance, I think. Here the last body is valve. Choose front plane, sketch, select line, convert it into arc, exit, 3-point arc, okay. Choose here line, exit, 3-point arc, okay. Now let's define it. .69, 1.1 millimeter. Okay. Now let's drag it. 0.35 millimeter, 0.625 millimeter, 0.172 millimeter, 0.3 millimeter. The same here also, 0.3 millimeter, 0.05 millimeter. Undo. Let's keep whatever this, it's not much going to affect our job. Okay, this is enough our body. Select revolve boss base. Okay, now select the whole body and okay, now choose this body and make it some dark color like red. Okay, now here we will make retaining spring. So let's select this face, sketch, draw a circle here. Now let's keep the diameter 0.688 millimeter. Go to feature and select here curves and choose here helix and spiral, pitch and revolution, and the pitch make 0.2 millimeter, revolution 5.5 270 degree clockwise. See here. Now select right plane, sketch, front plane, sketch, circle, and draw here a circle 0.055 millimeter. Okay, now select the center of circle and this are pierce. Okay, exit. Now just go to Swift boss base, select the profile. Here select, you will see the direction both side. You will see maybe this option not available in 2000 lesser version 2014 or 13. Okay, now just hide this Swift boss base. Let's assign some dark color. Okay, retaining is, so this is the our valve, engine valve. Let's save part number 11, valve. Now we will start the assembly of two-cylinder engine. Let's see how to. Now let's start the assembly of two-cylinder engine in SolidWorks. Select here new assembly. Okay, that's it. Now let's browse our first part, engine block. Okay, now this is the SolidWorks assembly window. Let's, okay, let's browse our new part, crankshaft. Select this crankshaft, edit, and here we want to make some holes. So select this face, sketch, center line, corner rectangle. Now let's define it. This is just for the, it will create a 0.5 millimeter. Okay. Now select extruded cut. Make 0.1 millimeter depth. That's it. Now save it. Cancel. Save in assembly. Now let's make insert. Select this hole and choose met. Concentric relation. Okay. Select this face and this face and choose here distance 2.6 millimeter. Okay, that's it. Now press Ctrl key and copy. Just rotate this. It should be like this and make it opposite to this. Okay. Choose met. Select this circular face and this circular face. Concentric relation. Okay. Now select this. See, this is the main use. Select this side wall and select this side wall and make relation parallel. Okay. Now both are parallel together. Now drag it out. Now select this inside face and this face. Coincident relation. Okay. Now here, now let's rotate. See, both rotating in opposite direction. Let's take this position. Now let's bring our next part, sprocket. Large icon. So crankshaft sprocket. Choose here met. Both the circular faces and concentric relation. Select this face and this face. Coincident relation. Now select this slot side wall and this pin side wall and make relation parallel. Okay. Cancel it. Now let's try to rotate. See, this is rotating in a beautiful way. Let's come back side, and now here we will fix our next part. So let's insert, browse, camshaft with sprocket. Now rotate the camshaft, rotate component. Oh, okay. Choose here met. Select this inside hole and camshaft circular face, concentric relation. Okay. Now here also select this face and this face, and here select distance 2.6 millimeter. Okay. 2.6 millimeter is okay, that's it. Okay, that's fine. Our gear is going to met here anyways. Okay, because this should be, this position should be in perfect place. We would like to edit this face, so do one thing: evaluate, measure, select these two faces, and just find out the distance. Blue 0.88. Cancel it. Now edit this feature: extruded boss. This one 6.8, make it minus 0.88. Okay, okay, it's already minus. Cancel, save. That's it. Now see, it's going to match here. That's perfect. Now it's time to add some gear relation. Go to assembly, mat, and go to mechanical mat, choose gear. Now first select this corner edge and this corner edge. This is by default selected, so we will keep this as it is. We will not do anything else. Okay, okay. Now let's try. See, it is rotating along with same crank. Let's browse our next part, push rod. We need two number of push rods, so rotate. Okay, now choose here mat, select this hole and this arbor, uh, sorry, this push rod, concentric relation. Here also the same thing, concentric relation. Now here we want to make cam and shaft relation, so we have to do one thing. For cam relation there is two faces, we want to make one face. I forget during this sketch, so we will make it one face. So edit, select this face, sketch. Now go to insert, tools, and here you will find spline tools, fit spline. Select both these splines, 0, it is automatically selected. Okay, now see, it is become one geometry. Exit. See, the whole face become one geometry. The see, in the second one there is two face, so edit, go to menus, tools, spline, fit geometry. Select these two splines, constraint geometry. Okay, exit. Now you will see here it is single faces. Now it is easy for the cam rotation or cam relation. Now cancel from here, it is asking to save, select yes, select here also yes. Now we will see take it up, go to mat and go to mechanical mat, choose here cam. Now select here path. See this cam face we selected, and here select cam follower. So select this face. See it's met here, tangent relation. Okay. Second one and this one. Met. Cancel. Let's check what last mat we did. Edit, reverse. That's it. Okay. Now again choose cam. This is the path and this body. Okay. Now cancel it, just rotate this. This is also come down, cam to re-edit, mat alignment reverse. Okay. Okay. Now see this cam rotation. This is what we want. We want to, that's it. Now let's insert our other parts. Select arbor. Choose mat. Select this and hole. Concentric relation. Okay. Now select these two faces, make the gap 0.15. Okay. Now let's see whether it's really no, because this is our hole and it is not matching. So what we will do, delete. Concentric reverse. Okay. Now drag it here. Now try this face and this face, gap 0.15 millimeter. Okay. Now let's see. That's looking perfect. Insert. Now let's bring here rocker arm. We need 2 number of rocker arms, so rotate this rocker arm. Okay. Now let's make relation mat. Select this hole and this arbor, concentric relation. Okay. This side wall, arbor and rocker arm, coincident relation. Okay. Select this face and this, make relation tangent. Okay. See, circle and this arbor, concentric relation. Select this face and this face. coincident relation, that's it. This circle and this face, tangent relation, okay. Okay, now the arbor arm with rocker arm fixed here. If you will rotate, see, both going to be rotate. Now what else balance, let's see. Okay, choose connecting rod, press control key and make one more. First take it out, this one, met, coincident relation, concentric relation, this face and this face. Okay, now let's browse our other, this face and this circle, concentric relation. Now select this side wall and this side wall. Okay, now it's fixed here. Insert. Now choose piston and pin together, open. Now here we will make some relation, met, select this pin and this hole, concentric relation, okay. Advanced met, width met, select these two faces, come inside, select these two faces, okay. Okay, now met, select this face and this face, make concentric relation, okay. Select this circle, pin and connecting rod, concentric relation, okay. Now let's move it, okay. Now press control key and browse one more pin, met, select the hole and pin and make relation concentric. Now again advanced met, width, select this face of both side face of pin and both side wall of piston, okay. Select this face and met this face. See here, concentric relation created, connecting rod and pin, concentric relation, okay. Okay, now let's see how our engine works. See, just select this pin, star point and hide it. We have here, okay, all the star point hides. Now I think some more parts are balanced. Browse, valve, press control key and bring one more valve. Let's check whether, okay, we need two valves, so that's fine. Met, select this face and this inside face, make relation concentric, that's it. This face and this face, create tangent relation, cancel it. Let's try matte. Try cam and cam cam camshaft relation. I think not need. It's not taking the. Okay, this wall tangent relation. Okay, that's it. Now select this hole and this wall. Concentric relation. Okay, select this face and this top face. Tangent relation. Okay, now let's see how the wall works. See this wall, if it's going to rotate, see wall open and close. So this is the our total assembly of we will see this way is looking better. Enlarge. That's it. Now let's save the assembly. Refresh it, save all. Now here select two cylinder engine assembly, save. Right click, go to motion manager, motion study, open. First select motion analysis. Here select 50 frame per second. (10 seconds) motor. Select this face. Make it reverse. (20 RPM). Okay. Now select here calculate. Now it is going to calculate slowly. This rotation is too slow, so we will do one thing. We will just increase the speed of rotation. Play. That's fine. That's fine. Now save this animation. Choose your destination, desktop, anywhere, AVI file, and I'll choose ratio 16:9, 50 frames. Save. Uncheck. Okay. Now it is going to calculate from the start, and it's going to save in your system or in your destination. I hope you like it. This is the simple 2-cylinder engine for the beginners or for the newcomers who want to learn the SolidWorks. I hope this will help to those people. Please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Don't forget to share and like our video. If you have any comments, please write down in comment section. I'll try to answer each and every question. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.